Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your PayPal account within your Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks app on your device. And after you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to link your PayPal account so that you can redeem your Swagbucks, then in order to do so, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Now, from this page, just tap on your username at the top left corner, which will now open up your profile page. Here you will need to tap on Settings, which will now show you the account info. Just scroll down, and now within the linked account section, you can see the PayPal link account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to first confirm your identity. You will need to enter your phone number in order to send you the verification code. Just type in your phone number and then click on the Send Code button, and you will receive your verification code. After entering this code within the following screen, you will then be taken into the PayPal login page. Within the PayPal login page, you will simply need to log in using your credentials for your PayPal account. After you log into your PayPal and confirm linking with your Swagbucks, it will now be linked with your account, and anytime you wish to redeem your Swagbucks, you can simply use your PayPal account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your PayPal account with your Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.